All right, so this is a tutorial for homework. We're going to go through both hands, one hand, the notes one hand at a time. Then we're going to put them together, and then we're going to count. So it starts out with the left hand, thumb on A, down a fifth to D, up to E, F, G, and then A, G sharp, A, G natural, F, D. Then we're on the third full measure. It starts out with 2 beats of rest, and then thumb comes on A, down to second to G, down a second to F, then up a third to A with your thumb. Now we're on to measure 5. 5 on D, up a second, up a second, up a second, up a second, down a second sharp to G sharp, up to A, back to G natural, down to F, down to D, 2 beats, I should say, of rest, and then thumb on A, 2 on G, 3 on F. Then a quarter note rest. Now we're on measure 9. That is a whole note A with your thumb. And then measure 10 is a whole note D with your pinky. And then measure 11 is whole note A with your thumb. And measure 12 is pinky on D for 3 beats. And then thumb on A for the last beat. And then back down to D on bar 13. D, E, F, G, A, G sharp, A, G natural, F, D, 2 beats of rest, and then A, G, F. Okay, that's the left hand. Right hand notes starts out with 1 and 3 on D and F for 2 measures. And then right hand comes on 2 on E, up to F, up to G, down to F, down to E, down to D. Then a rest, and in measure 5, it's F and A for 2 full measures. And measure 7 is E, F, G, F, E, D. Then up a third to F. Now measure 9 is E 4 times. And then F, E, F, G, A, F, E, E, F, E, D, E, F. Then a beat of rest, and then measure 13 is D and F together for 2 measures, and then measure 15 is E, F, G, F, E, D. All right, now hands together, no counting. Starts out with left hand on A, and then the first full measure is left hand D, right hand D and F. Right hand stands still, left hand jumps up or walks up. E, F, G, A, G sharp, A, G, F, D. Right hand takes over, E, F, G, then both hands. Left hand A, right hand F. Both hands go down a second to G and E, then down a second to F and D. And left hand A by itself, and then left hand 5 on D, right hand 1 and 3 on D and F. Left hand walks up, E, F, G, A, G sharp, A, G, F, D. Right hand, E, F, G, and now A and F together. Down a second to G and E, down a second to F and D. 2, 3. And then F in the right hand, and A and E together. Right hand, E, E, E. And now right hand goes up a second to F, left hand goes down a fifth to D. Then right hand, E, F, G, A, F. Now, next measure, A in the left, E in the right. E, F, E, D, E. D in the left, F in the right. Then left hand A by itself, and then right hand D and F with left hand D. Left hand goes up to E, up to F, up to G, up to A, G sharp, A, G natural, F, D. Right hand, E, F, G, then A and F, G and E, F and D. Okay, one last time through, this time with the counting. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's it.